Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever recorded video, so I'm super excited. I'm going to do a tomato aloe facial. So you start by cutting up the tomato, make sure it's washed, and cut it all up, and then just squeeze it into a bowl like so. Make sure you get all the juice out. And then I am going to use fresh aloe from my garden. I cut it vertically. And I found the easiest way to do this, instead of mixing and stuff, is just apply the aloe first, straight from the leaf onto your face. It's very sticky and gooey. Make sure you apply it to your neck as well. Anything we do to our face, we do to our neck. And you squeeze the rest in the bowl with the tomato. And then you could also use it on the ends of your hair. Aloe is really good to leave in for conditioning. So that's what I do. Then you use the tomato and apply it to your face and your neck. I definitely feel the burn with this. The aloe stings a little bit, but I promise it goes away. And then just wait. I'm a little silly. This is me behind the scenes. I like to do crazy things when I wait. Here's Deed. He's featured in this video. He's my new pet rat. I love him so much. He's so smart. Say hi, Deed.
One hour later.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. So what you're going to do is you're going to rinse your face with cold water. Make sure it's cold. Cold is good for you because it closes your pores up. And then what you're going to do is just pat your face down with a towel. Make sure you pat it. And if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I will be making more. Bye, you guys.